Hello everyone, welcome back to Lions Family Farms. Just got done with the morning milking. Biggs is making me and Dave put the blower away because he doesn't want us to do it later. So, and then we'll get to go home. Dave's pulling away. I gotta let this pipe out. Not one-handed, so I gotta put the camera down. Dave's backing her in, but this tractor's in the way. That might be a later project to fix that. Two clean tractors. I got them both washed. You've been chosen. Well, yesterday I 2 days ago, let the steers out. This guy here, he unplugged the fencer.
I did not. Man, I was so mad.
I don't know who did, but
you never plugged it in.
Long story short, fencer wasn't plugged in. I let the steers out.
The first time they were ever in a pasture.
And they got out. So that was, we were on the hunt yesterday morning and one of Biggie's Ranger tires were flat. Now he's got two brand new front rippers. See how long these last before they're destroyed. Biggie don't rip, but we do. Yeah, we can't try them out here. We can't do it in the grass. We got to get over to the stones. Don't want to tear the limestone. We'll tear the shale. Gotcha.
Oh, right there.
The spring gate's all stretched out. I had a dry cow walk through it. I gotta get a new one here and replace it. I got one in here down in the shed. There's old red. I guess scrap that. And we got handles. No springs. Well, since I don't have no spring gates, can't fix that. The reason this is needing done gets neglected. Haven't did it since longer than it should. So, gonna knock that out quick. Well, I ran out of grease on the last grease zert, so I got to put a new tube in. Maybe you can see this well on the camera, but that's gonna blow out. You can see where it's been rubbing. It's actually making this sharp. I'll have to take that off and get a new one, because I know if I don't switch it before it breaks, we'll be needing a skid loader one day in a hurry, and then boom, breaks. So I gotta get her fixed. Once I'm done greasing, I like to check the oil, which I just did. It's good. Then you undo this latch. Make sure there's nothing plugging up the radiator. If there's some stuff, I'll dig that out. Pretty much just making sure everything's in working order, so whenever you're in a push and you need it quick, everything works good. Well, me and Dave are headed over to get a skid of shavings for the cows. Put the shavings in 3 times a week to keep the cows dry, so heading over to get a skid. I may get attacked. I swear there's always a calf trying to get out. What? I said I swear there's always a calf trying to break camp. Hey, buddy. Who doesn't love a calf? It's break time. Calf?
We carried about 12 bags then. We need a break.
I guess the calf wants to join in break time. Cats are over there eating. Little tiger and loud cat, bobcat are eating.
I'll get her back on.
What a crew, what a crew. See ya, calf. We're running on fumes. What are we gonna do? We're going the opposite way of the gas station because I don't want to go to the gas station tonight. Maybe tomorrow. What are you doing? Are you cold?
Just a little bit.
Oh, look at that. You're on the camera.
Where are we going?
On a road trip. It's 4th of July weekend and she's making me drive 3 hours.
Yep.
The roads better not get bad, woman. Traffic jam. Now it's raining. What kind of stuff do you get me into, woman?
Not too sure where we are.
Hey, the GPS says we're all right. So, the state park we were going to is closed.
Yep.
We pulled in, and there was excavators everywhere. It's closed. I found another one here on the map. Gonna go to it. Half-hour drive through these garbage roads. The camera's probably bouncing. Everyone will get seasick watching this video. Emily, better hold that camera steady.
Trying.
We got it figured out now, not to worry.
Nope.
We still could get lost, you never know. The adventures of Adam and Emily. That's what days off get you. Are we prepared?
Nope.
Are we gonna do it?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm prepared. I got shorts on like the second time this year. I hate to say it, but they weren't lying. That was tough.
Yeah.
Well, we made it back. It was did like a 3-mile hike. We were at the PA Grand Canyon, if you're wondering, aka Pine Creek Gorge. I guess it's the opposite. It's the Pine Creek Gorge, aka PA Grand Canyon. We're back home now. That's gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it.